Hi there. If you have built out threat models before, you might have observed how painful, manual, and time-consuming this process of building out application architecture and generating threat models is. It might take you days, if not weeks, to do so. We have built industry's first AI-powered threat modeling tool that can take you from simply describing what your application is to automatically generating a threat model as well as an application architecture in just a couple of seconds, as opposed to you spending days and weeks doing so manually. And let me show you how this works. You can simply describe your application, choose the application type, and generate an application architecture as well as threat model. But if you already have a diagram for your application architecture, you can upload that as well. So you can start with a blank slate, or you can upload an application architecture seamlessly. This AI-powered threat modeling tool can help you generate threat models either ways. Let's explore an example we have here. We are choosing the type of application that we want to build the threat model for. All we are doing is describing this application. We don't have any application architecture right now. We don't want to waste time building that out. And I just want AI to generate that for me alongside a threat model. And I describe a bunch of other security controls that we have in place. All I've done is just simply describe my application and told the AI that, hey, I'm not going to waste time building out application architecture. I'm just going to describe the application to you. You should generate the application architecture for me as well as a threat model for me. This would usually take us days, if not weeks. And there you go. AI automatically generates an application architecture for you. Not only does it generate an application architecture for you, it also generates a threat model in just a couple of seconds. Let me repeat this because this is important. Usually you would spend days, if not weeks, building out application architectures and threat models for an application. Using our AI-powered threat modeling tool, you can do so in just a couple of seconds, and you don't even need to have an application architecture diagram. If you have one, that's great, you can use that. But if you don't have one, all you have to do is describe your application, and this AI-powered threat modeling tool by Layup will automatically generate an application architecture for you, generate a threat model for you, tell you scenarios, tell you potential impacts, and goes one step beyond that and enables you to ask questions about individual threats within the threat model as well. Never in the history of security has this ever been possible. And now you can actually go in and ask questions that you might want to ask about individual threats. Say in this particular case, I just want to know another scenario where this threat can apply to my application. So I'll ask, can you please tell me another scenario I should be aware of? And there you go. AI will tell me another scenario that I should be aware about, and I can go back and forth and dig in deeper into individual threats that were mentioned on this threat model that was generated in seconds, not days and weeks. This is how you can convert your threat modeling process from spending and wasting days and weeks to seconds with more extensive threat model, with application architecture, with AI, and the ability to ask questions and dig in deeper into individual threats. If you'd like to learn more and set up an AI-powered threat modeling tool for your organization, you should ping us. You should book a demo. You can seamlessly book a demo all the way here as soon as you generate a threat model for the application. You can just click book a demo and book a demo with us, and we'll help you set up an AI-powered threat modeling tool and save you days and weeks on creating application threat models. Finally, this tool is also free to use, so you can try this out and provide any feedback that you might like. But I recommend if you are interested in setting this up, you should book a demo with us. Thank you.